Last time on Madcat Sailing we learnt why is a boom called a boom? Because that's the sound it makes when it hits you on the head. And then we found a little anchorage just to chillax for the night. This week's episode you get to check out the captain's quarters. Ooh! Morning campers. Well, I didn't get to London like I thought I would. I've ended up stopping off at Walton Backwaters. I had not enough wind and the tide were against me, so yeah, it was taking quite a while, so I've decided to stop here it's just south of Felixstowe. It's a creek that floods. It's a nice little anchorage. You can just turn up to these places. They're dotted around the coastline of the UK. They're places you don't really get to see when you're a landlubber, as they say. But I'll just show you around where I've ended up. Yeah, hopefully this works. I've just spotted a seal out. You can just about make it out on the camera. Shame the camera weren't ready, could have zoomed in a bit better for you. But yeah, that's something else you don't see every day. Is he taking that could just be a floating football or anything? May as well say it's the Loch Ness Monster. Hey Davey. Must be camera shy. I was saying as well, I've got a trip in August to Cows Week at Isle of Wight, and me and my brother are going. I've got one place left, so if anyone fancies coming. Sorry Madventurers, this was summer 2018 Cows Week. Sadly, missed opportunity, but keep an eye on future posts because you never know, there may be another chance for another big trip somewhere. Who's going to be a lucky winner, eh Davey? You were a lucky boy, Davey, weren't you? A lucky boy. I mean, don't call you a lucky boy. Yeah, but you were a lucky boy, Davey. The boat, it's not a super yacht, as which you could probably see by my pictures, but it's got everything you need to get by. With two of you, makes life a lot easier as well, but I'll take you down and show you some of the facilities. It is very basic, which I think you've already gathered. Here, you've got your toilet, good old bucket, as they say on the bucket, multi-purpose. And how this works, lift up this, lift up this, there's your toilet. Try not to do your number twos, but if you're really desperate it's possible. Try and just make it number ones. And wait till you get to the marina for your number twos. And then here, David, did you not clean your cooking facilities? I don't know. As you can see, you've got your sink. That reminds me, that's peanut butter. Gas stove, kettle. Can be my kettle boy or girl, depending who wants to come. But yeah, this is the view when you sit on the toilet. Look at that. This is how it's used. You can rest your head on here, you can wash the pots, put the kettle on, it's all there. Depending how much you pay as well, you can have the honeymoon suite at the front there, or the cabin boy's bed over here. This is the captain's bed. No one sleeps in the captain's bed. Alright, walk the plank. You don't want to be walking the plank, it's very cool that water. So, if you like all that, give us a shout and I'll give you a bit more info. One thing I won't do is I won't sail anywhere that I'm not confident in sailing. As you've probably gathered, I've spent the last 2 years studying to day skipper level, so got my competency to sail. There may be a little bit of night sailing, but it's nothing too dramatic. Try and stop off in some marinas along the way so we're not exhausting ourselves.
No, that's
Keep
the curse, that be exhausting ourselves.
And all being well, get good weather and fair sailing, fingers crossed. And you never know, you might enjoy it. Buy yourself a super yacht. Join the club. Thanks for watching. Ta-ta for now.
Follow us next time on Madcat Sailing. The race is on. Time to practice some speed sailing.